Vin Diesel sa Philippine red carpet premiere ng Hollywood film niyang Fast and Furious 6 kagabi. Marami na raw siyang nadaluhang international premiere nights, pero ibang-iba raw ang Pinoy fans. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Luxury cars ang naghatid sa cast ng Fast and Furious 6 sa red carpet premiere ng pelikula. Pagbaba, ilang masuswerteng fans pa ang nakapagpa-autograph at nakapagpa-picture. Sina Luke Evans at Gina Carano tumigil pa sa paglalakad para magpaunlak ng interview sa amin.
This is insane. I've never seen such an amazing crowd. Everybody's having the best time.
The movie has a huge following here in the Philippines. How are you feeling? The movie is going to be shown tonight.
Yes, it is. I think people are going to love it. I'm very proud of it.
I feel overwhelmed. This is the biggest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the love and support. This is insane.
Si Luke, kumanta pa ng ilang linya ng Filipino song. Mas lumakas ang hiyawan nang dumating na ang lead actress na si Michelle Rodriguez at ang lead actor na si Vin Diesel. Lalong natuwa ang fans nang magtagalog si Vin. Hindi nga raw siya makapaniwala sa naranasang warm Pinoy hospitality.
I've never in my life seen a premiere this amazing. I can feel you from here. I can feel that love from here. This is the best premiere that I ever been to in my whole life.
Bukod sa local media, dinayo rin ang foreign press mula sa iba't ibang bansa sa Southeast Asia ang Philippine premiere ng Fast and Furious 6. Maswerte nga raw ang Pilipinas dahil dito idinaos ang kanilang Southeast Asian premiere. Tatak Fast and Furious na ang matutuling sasakyan. Kaya naman sa paligid ng venue, nagkaroon ng car show tampok ang ilang magagarang kotse. Pinirmahan pa ng cast ng pelikula ang isang luxury car na nakatakdang i-auction. Aubrey Carampel updated sa Showbiz Happenings.